Ay ka... Bro, are you pro, bro? Are you pro? Are you pro? Woo!
2, 3, hit! Saan naka-hit that? Na-hit ba?
Nice swing.
Ay, wow! Hey, nice one!
Welcome to Mimosa driving range.
Yes. Hi. Finally. Hello.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Stuart. Nice to meet you. Okay.
Say that again, sorry.
I'm Stuart.
Stuart. My name's Louis.
Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. Nanababo Kabaleen, welcome to �ㄺ𝘂 Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, we were invited by Mimosa Plus Golf Course to try their newest driving range. Sama po natin ang the whole family, Isa and Luis, and Mommy, of course, no? We're gonna have an alternative recreation. More fun, more physical, I think. Something new. And I think they're gonna enjoy it. Actually, they are enjoying, di ba?
Yes, they are enjoying it.
Ayun guys, so samahan nyo.
Silipin natin.
Silipin natin guys, samahan nyo kami dito sa video na to. Let's go!
Let's go!
Nandito tayo ngayon sa, they call it Mimosa Plus Golf Academy. And I'm with my family, Joyce, si Luis, and Isa. We're actually enjoying this for the first time as a family. So, in all honesty, this is just my second time to play golf in a driving range. And the first time I did it, sobrang nag-enjoy ako. However, walang nagturo sa amin nun. So, this is the first time na may nagturo sa amin how to do it properly. Kumbaga, naitama yung perception namin how to do it, the proper position, the grip. It's a start. Here guys, if you are looking for this kind of activities or bonding with your family, I personally recommend this one because when you go here, we disconnect our kids to online, yung mga gadget and everything. More of this guys, later on we're gonna be at their 49 Bay. Oh yeah, okay. For your food, syempre ayaw naman nating magutom habang naglalaro. So you just press this, tama ba?
Yes. And it takes you to the menu. Right now we have sandwiches, coffees, juices, but eventually we will have a hot kitchen as well. So we'll offer breakfast, ganyan.
Nice.
Speaking of breakfast, saan yung oras mama?
6 to 6.
6 a.m.
6 to 6. 6 to 6.
Breakfast.
Let's have breakfast here, no?
Pag-iba na yung lifestyle.
Malayo. Sa It's Stateboro. Another one. This is another first time guys to be in a golf during night time. Seeing these people enjoying the night golf guys, parang gusto mo na ring pag-try. So I don't know if we are actually allowed to get inside dito, pero hopefully di tayo tamaan na. Night golf natin starts at 6 o'clock up until 10:30 p.m. That's a 9-hole. So suggest na lang ng mga staff natin dito, if you wanna do 18 holes, punta po kayo dito around 4 p.m. You have enough time up until 10:30 to finish a 18 hole. But again, this one, yung nakailaw na area natin is 9 hole and is available up until 10:30. So ayun guys, so let's see. Wow. Almost. Which number?
100.
100?
Almost.
Really?
Yeah.
So, how do you feel? You almost hit 100. How do you feel? How do you feel? Good?
Good.
Alright, fist bump.